Okay, so we're here for a very special reason. It's to celebrate year 13s, and it's to wish them luck. It's to be with them as they go into a life-changing experience, the final examinations.
We can continue to show the utmost respect to our Year 13s on their last few glorious days at LGB and thank them for giving us hope that we can make it ourselves. I think it's okay for us to be a little sad because as the class of 2016 continue on with their lives, LGB loses a bit of talent, experience, and advice that we all need.
How many of you have asked or have heard or have been asked whether they could speak African? When you ask somebody, let's say from South Africa, whether he speaks South African, make sure you're precise because there's 11 official languages in South Africa. The whole of the European Union has only 23 official languages, while Africa of languages has like 2,000. We're hearing a lot of inaccurate comments, such as the one about languages, and we feel that it's important to raise awareness.
Étant africain, je réalise que parfois il y a des stéréotypes un peu comme j'aime le poulet, j'aime ce genre de choses quoi, tu voyais. Et du coup, pour un peu guérir les gens de ce genre de stéréotypes, on mène des discussions un peu dans le groupe. Et pour un peu diffuser l'attention justement sur ce genre de problème.
And that's what this group wants to share with people by influencing the popular narrative, which as far as we're concerned is mostly negative, by showing a bigger picture and the diversity of the continent.
On a choisi le nom Ubuntu parce que ça représente la tolérance et enfin ça représente un esprit justement ouvert et pas étroit. Donc justement ça représente un peu l'esprit de l'école.
In order to exist, man must rebel. Rebellion must also respect its own limits, because that's where you can take the time to think, and that's where you can use your mind. You are not a drop in the ocean. You're the entire ocean in a drop. Bonne chance pour les examens.
One person's achievement here is everybody's achievement, and we have to be generous and happy for everybody.
With some careful planning, some methodical revision, there is still time to make a huge difference and to achieve your potential.
J'aimerais mentionner chaque personne ici, parce que chacun de vous apporte ce grain de sable qui fait que LGB est vraiment un endroit remarquable.
I'm just going to trust in the fact that we've all been given amazing opportunities, and for every one of us, it would be difficult to do anything other than move on from LGB into a fulfilling, successful, and exciting life.
On sera là avec vous en esprit pendant les examens. Ça, il faut le savoir. Il y a toute la puissance de cette communauté derrière vous. Je sens que vous allez faire quelque chose de remarquable. Ça, je le crois. Je le crois dur comme fer. Il faut le croire vous aussi. OK? On est ensemble.